Okay, so your croutons should look like this. Okay? So what I've been doing is taking it out of the oven every 15 minutes and kind of stirring it up. And then you want to let it set up and let it dry. Oh, they're getting little. You can eat these. Oh my gosh, they're good. They're nice crunch. Okay, this is done. Oh, let me turn it off. Okay, so, okay. I'm a little tipsy. Like Julia Childs. Anyways, this is really, really good. Oh, the croutons are delicious. Oh gosh, they're so good. Okay, so take the dark ones out and eat them. Okay. And there you have it. You have your croutons. I would let them sit out. Delicious. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. I gotta turn